In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an unlimited watch list in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or someone just starting out on your trading journey, streamlining your watch list can make a big difference in how you monitor the market. Let's dive in and see how you can easily manage your watch list on TradingView. First, if you haven't already, go ahead and open your web browser and head over to the TradingView website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can take a moment to sign up. It's a fairly straightforward process and it will give you access to a range of valuable tools that TradingView offers. Assuming you're logged in, let's direct our attention to the right side of the screen. There's a section dedicated to your watch list, and it's designed to be a powerful feature for keeping track of your favorite stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and other assets you're interested in. When you click on this section, you'll see your existing watch list displayed right there. Now, you might be wondering how you can add more items to this watch list. It's simple. All you need to do is look for the plus icon, which is prominently displayed. Clicking on this icon will allow you to add new stocks or any other securities to your watch list effortlessly. This makes it super convenient to keep all the assets you're interested in just a click away. One great thing about TradingView is that your watch list is not just limited to a fixed number of entries. You can add as many items as you want, allowing you to maintain an unlimited watch list. This is particularly useful if you're someone who likes to keep track of multiple markets or different types of securities simultaneously. As you organize your watch list, keep in mind that TradingView gives you the flexibility to rename or rearrange your lists according to your preferences. You might choose to categorize your watch list by industry, asset type, or even by your personal interest. This customized approach ensures that you're always in control and can find what you need without any hassle. Finally, don't forget that your TradingView account syncs across devices. This means that the watch list you create on your desktop will also be accessible on your mobile device. So, whether you're at your desk or on the go, TradingView keeps your watch list in the palm of your hand. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've set up an effective and unlimited watch list on TradingView. Feel free to explore additional features and settings that TradingView offers, as they can further enhance your trading experience. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.